Hello! What do we have here? Well, you can see by looking at it, this is a very nice watermelon. Looks like it's ripe, and I like this label. It gives you some interesting facts and some information about the melon. It's grown in the USA. This one's grown in Florida. It's nice looking. It's got a nice size, nice shape, nice hollow sound. I like it. Well, I'm going to just share with you a few facts about the melon, and then you can tell us what you think. Please leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. Okay, cutting this big melon open. Let's see what we got in here. Oh yeah, perfectly ripe. Look at that beauty. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.